Hey guys, I'm Laura. Welcome to my channel. I'm very excited if you're watching this video because it's my first one. So if you're into luxury handbags, travels, shopping, things like that, this is the place for you. So today I'm going to be unboxing a few items that I bought before the last price increase that Chanel did. If you're a Chanel fan, you're aware that at the beginning of this month, they had one of their famous price increases on a lot of their items. I knew from last year, just the way things were done with their price increases in 2020, that I should probably expect another price rise right before the holidays. And so just before November, I went out to buy a few items, especially when the rumblings of the price increases started happening. I wouldn't say that if you hear about a price increase, you should necessarily rush to the store, especially because a lot of the items get cleared out. So if there's something that you have your eye on and you're close to saving for it or whatever, I recommend getting that item before you start hearing rumors of, price increases, especially because they're happening so much now, 2 to 3 times a year. So the first item that I'm going to be unboxing is a pair of shoes. These are a pair of shoes that I've wanted for a while, but I was kind of on the fence on. I wasn't sure if they would be comfortable or not, and I just finally decided to go for them. So I actually have worn them once before this. And all the shoes come with these little booklets on care and just saying that they're, authentic shoes from Chanel. They also come with a dust bag for each shoe. And the shoes that I got were the classic Slingbacks. I got them in the nude color with the grass green black tips. And one of the reasons why I kind of sat on these shoes for a while was I wasn't sure if they would be comfortable, especially this part. I've tried other Slingbacks and they're just a pain. They're not comfortable. It comes off the whole time. But having worn these once, I can say they are actually comfortable. I like the heel height. I'm short. I'm 5'2", so I can get use all the help I can get, you know what I mean? If you're short, you know what I'm talking about. And the slingback part actually stays on. It doesn't slide off. It's elasticated, so it moves with your foot when you're walking. They're really comfortable. If you are sitting on these, you're not sure, I would definitely recommend them. I would recommend if you have like a wider foot, you might want to size up half a size or a full size. If they're leather, over time they will loosen up, so that's something to take into consideration. But I recommend trying them on, and if you need the extra space, size up half a size. So the price of these shoes are currently $1,000. Before the price increase, they were retailing at $925, but when I went to get these, I actually bought these at Saks, and it was weird. I don't know if it was my lucky day or something, but they rang up at $875, which was 2 prices ago. So I was able to score them for $875. I don't know what happened, but a few days later, they are retailing at $1,000 now. The next item I'm going to unbox comes in this big box. This is also an item that's been on my wish list for a long time, and I knew that in the last price increase, this bag did not increase in price, and so I fully expected that at the next price increase, it was going to increase. I wasn't sure by how much, but if there's an item that you have your eye on and there's a price increase and it hasn't increased at that time, expect it to increase the next time. So this item I also unboxed. I'm not a very patient person. As soon as I get an item, I get really excited. This particular item, my SA mailed to me. So as soon as I get something in the mail from her, I have to open it. I can't wait. But it comes in this black dust bag. And let me see. It's the black Trendy Cc with the light gold hardware. If you are a Chanel fan, if you're a Trendy fan, you'll know that this season it came out in the rose gold hardware, which is one that I was considering, but I wanted to get it before the price increase, and I always had wanted it in the light gold hardware, so I kind of decided to stick to what was on my wish list. A lot of the times when I deviate from my wish list, I tend to not like the item as much when I get it. I don't know, does that happen to you too? So if you're not familiar with the Trendy Cc bag, as you can see, it is a top handle bag. It also has a chain, so you can wear it as a shoulder bag or even as a crossbody bag if it works for you. It is a bit of a shorter chain, so it might come a little high. It has the metal plate on top with Chanel, and then it has a classic turn lock opening. And then inside there are 3 compartments. In this front compartment, you have the little lipstick compartment and the 2 holders that are in the classic flap. It's also a newer Trendy, so it does have the chip inside, which on the Trendy Cc, you're not going to see it, I don't think, because it's very dark, but oh, no, you can. It is in the front pocket and this little interior pocket on the left. And then, of course, on the back, like all the classic style bags, you have the Mona Lisa pocket. And then here is the bottom of the bag. If 2022 is anything like 2021, then we can probably expect another increase at the beginning of the year. This year there was one in the middle of January, so I would not be surprised if that 2022 follows suit. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. I plan to do more videos on luxury items and travel. I have a trip to New York planned that I will be vlogging, so I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.